Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I will show you on how you can change the language on your Netflix on phone. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now first things first, you can just head over to the browser that you have installed to your device right here. And once inside, you want to go ahead and open up netflix.com. Now once inside Netflix, you can just go ahead and navigate through your account and you will be able to see the change language option. You can also go ahead and click on this button right here if you want to change it into something like your own language or other languages out there. But basically all you have to do is to navigate through the Netflix page right here, and you have to click on the account section, and from there you will be able to see the change region or change language button. You can just go ahead and click on it and choose between the options that you have. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.